Yo. Yeah, today was a pretty mad day, I can't lie. I definitely should have blown this account. It was really jammy, just fucking, yeah. So, okay, so what do we do? I think it was on MN, yeah, alright. So basically, I literally had like 1% to lose because this stupid rule. I was only down 1% on the account, but for some reason I only had to lose 1 more percent, and I would have blown the whole thing. So it doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Yeah, I don't really get this like trailing rule thing. Fucking yeah, right. There we go. Got a trim as well. Finally, I got it back short again, man. It's been long for a while, so yeah, we move. Anyway, so what did I want to do? I wanted these. Basically, we're very bullish. We've been bullish this whole week. Really bullish this whole week. I wanted to see price come back down into even like equilibrium range, or yesterday's low, which was here. Right, so I wanted to see this, some sort of liquidity get swept, either it being this point or this point, right? So with that in mind, I was looking to take a short, looking to take a shot off this setup here. So we had, was it SMT? I can't remember. I can't even remember. I swear I took one this morning. But I literally did take one this morning. Am I being stupid? Yeah, here it is. Sorry about that. Bit of a retard moment right there. Was that the morning one? No. This was the morning one. So yeah, basically, like I said, we were bullish the whole day. I wanted to see some liquidity get swept. Before we moved higher. So we were here. Yeah, I wanted to see like this sort of liquidity get swept. As you can see, it got swept now, so that's good. But yeah, I didn't really have anything. I can't really remember. So I don't like doing trades in the mornings because I literally can't remember. But yeah, pretty much we swept liquidity up here and then took an inversion on the 32nd. After that gap got inverted, that is when I took a short. As you can see, I did take out here. I was holding for there, but I could see that we weren't moving that fast, and we started slowing down during there, so I just kind of wanted to get out. that's that. Pretty fun stuff. Next thing was New York Open. Just after New York Open. Pretty banger. Literally so jammy. It was my last like 100 quid of the account. And it was just a banger. It was just a banger, to be honest. So basically, we marked out this SMT. We had this breaker structure. I could have entered here, come down into this gap, but as New York opened, we absolutely ripped up, breaking past London highs and Asia highs. And yeah, literally, I took this 15-second inversion here to like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4. Yeah, it was filthy. But yeah, banging. This 15-second breaker structure. And it was just lovely targeting this liquidity down here. As you can see, we run through it and more. But yeah, so now I'm back up on the day and back up on the account. So thank the Lords. But I shouldn't have won it. I basically saw as soon as this ripped open, got past all of these, I just knew that was going to be some sort of like manipulation. So after it took out all the highs, I wanted to see I don't know what it's called, confirmation thing, to see that we were going to start going lower to, take out these lows to then continue lower, but we didn't continue lower. We continued higher, just a little bit higher, but we might be going lower now, so yeah, that'll be for tomorrow. But yeah, that is it. That's it. It's a pretty boring one, pretty short one, but trading is boring if you do it right. And that's the lesson to walk away with, ladies and gentlemen. Trading's boring if you do it right, because it's just waiting. That's all it is. It's just waiting. 2 trades max a day. That's it. You can do what you want. You go work, So yeah, but that's that. Yeah, I need to work on an outro because I never know what to say. But see you in the next one.